Well, we went from rain for the past 3 days to some pretty chilly temperatures today for this morning and out the door and into your afternoon. Even right now, we're sitting at only 38 degrees, which is a little bit chillier than we've had for the past couple of days. Welcome back to NewsWatch Ole Miss. I'm William Traylor with StormWatch. So taking a look at our upcoming weather events, we have quite a few of them coming up over the next few days, specifically in the 5-day forecast. One that we want to particularly focus on will be Saturday, where there's a potential for some severe weather to come into our area, and I'll tell you about that in just one moment. But for tonight, you're going to have a nice, cool, clear evening. Right now, looking around the area, 39 in South Haven, 38 here in Oxford, and that's kind of the case for tonight as well, staying into those upper 30s until we get to about midnight or so, when we're going to get into the 20s one more time. We're going to see those freezing temperatures come down to about 27 degrees this evening, and that's going to clear the way for the severe weather that we're going to have coming in on Saturday. But first, looking around the area right now, we don't see any measurable precipitation in the region at all, but that will change within the next couple of days. Again, tonight we're going to be looking at those low temperatures going down to about 27 degrees, and we want to show you right now what we've already had this week. So far this week, our rainfall totals have gotten up to about 6 inches in Shelby County alone. 6 inches in Shelby County. Down here in Oxford and Lafayette County, we've looked at about 2 to 4 inches, somewhere in between there. And as you get into the northern half of the state, we see those rainfall totals just go up. It has been a very rainy past couple of days, and that is not going to change with the exception of today and a little bit of tomorrow. So I want to show you how this is going to be impacting us for Saturday. There are some very big chances of severe weather, even tornadic activity on Saturday, and that's going to mainly lie in this band right here, especially in the rainfall amounts. We're going to see even more rain in our area than we have over the past few days, probably another couple of inches that's going to come up. So if you live in any low-lying areas, you want to prepare right now because there will be more coming down. And for those severe weather potentials, we're going to see the biggest risk be to our south from Lafayette County. You see Oxford right here. Going south from Oxford, that potential gets greater, but that's not to discount the potential for tornadic activity in this region around the state line and around Memphis. It will get kind of rough, and that is coming from these high temperatures that we're going to see on Saturday. We're going to get up to about 70 degrees on Saturday. By the time Saturday night rolls around, however, we'll be right back down into the 20s. And as we know, when we have these low temperatures going up to high temperatures or going back down to low, that's severe weather here in Mississippi. It happens just about every year, especially around this time of year. So tonight you can enjoy that cool weather and that clear weather as well. 26 degrees, no precipitation to really speak of this evening. So this will be the real last night that we'll have. Tomorrow for your Valentine's Day, though, we're going to go up to 54 degrees. And tomorrow evening, we're going to see an 85% chance of rain. So for your Valentine's Day plans tomorrow, they probably ought to be inside because it will be raining tomorrow evening. And even if you have Valentine's Day plans that stretch into Saturday, that's going to be even more of a challenge because of that severe weather potential. So we will certainly have rain on your Valentine's Day night and even more the day after. So we want to look around the region for tomorrow. 39 is your high in South Haven. These should actually be about 10 degrees higher. So we want to get about 10 degrees added to that. But there again, we want to check on that 5-day forecast. 69 degrees is what we're going to see on Saturday. That's going to bring that severe weather in. Pretty rough severe weather too. And then on Tuesday, we actually had to go hunt down a graphic for snow because we are expecting some winter weather conditions to come in on Tuesday. So we really have the full range of weather over the next 5 days alone. And that's just what we expect for a February in Mississippi.
I cannot believe that we are jumping temperatures that drastically. I mean, was it not a few days ago that we were all in shorts?
Oh, like, I was on a walk in a beautiful weather of Mississippi, so.
And now we're raining, then tornadoes, then snow. So let's see how the snow goes. I'm excited.